Oh, a teacher received a huge surprise and a reward that she has earned to bring attention to her. And it's going to change her life from this moment on in a very good way. She'll be connected to a wonderful group of educators who have been innovative and successful and recognized and awarded the Milken Educator Award, and she's now one of us. She will be connected on an even broader basis with outstanding teachers, innovative ideas, opportunities, and she will be connected with this wide network all across the United States. It's really an idea center, and just to help make education better. It needs so much help today in the United States, and this is one step that will make it somewhat better for teachers, for students, and therefore for the community. Well, as one who received it the first year in 1987, it has continued to bless me in my life personally and in my connections with these wonderful people and with the Milken family throughout the years. They just bring you into really a family group of impressive people, and when I hear what the others have done, I think, I don't belong here. These people have done amazing things, and it just keeps expanding what they're able to do today in education, and this will help them to do even more. It's the gift that keeps on giving.